everyone, this is Azay Bicolana, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and for today, I'm gonna show you this villa type home for sale located inside Savannah Subdivision. Now, as you can see, it's raining kaya hindi na kami nakapag-start sa mismong facade ng bahay. So you have your modern contemporary for your facade, and then the house is facing southeast, also 2 years old pa lang siya. This is located along Korean Town. Ngayon, umuulan talaga, as in siguro magti 3 weeks ang umuulan, no baha naman sa area natin. Now, let's start sa house. This is your main house, and then right here, you have your single carport, and then right here, you have your parang pocket garden sa right side na yan. Pero ngayon, naka-concrete na yung ginawa nila para less maintenance. You have, as you can see, your main door is parang, kumbaga, may Korean ano siya, fusion ng modern contemporary. So, start na tayo. Ayan. Welcome to your dream home. As you can see, pagpasok ng main door, medyo yung sunken yung area na to kasi this is where you change your slippers from outdoors to indoors. So, dito siya. And then, before I continue exploring the whole ground floor muna, we have a special shout out to these kids. Aya, Ralph, Jelaine, Amy, and Kim. Yung mga fan club natin yan. Nagka-cute nila. And then, villa type nga siya. Could be your dream home na rin naman. Pero as of now, kasi ginawa na lang Airbnb. Pero nakikita kong well-maintained pa rin yung pinaka-bahay. Right here, you have your large mirror to do your second look when you go out. And then over here, in fairness, ang lawak ng living area nyo. Talagang entertainment siya. You have, ito, kaya yung 10-seater. 10-seater yun. Tapos, I can see customized to. Kasi naka-shape siya ng hanggang sa corner na yan. Then, you have your large, center table as well as, may chandelier sa living room. High ceiling din naman yung living room niya kasi. You have your, lahat talaga to kasama na. Oh, yeah. Comes furnished na rin yung villa type na to. Ganda. Yung mga sitting area pa, this side, this corner. Cute. And also, may air conditioning unit. Then, syempre, ito yung going to your second floor. Then, dito muna tayo. Linis! Ganda! Hindi nyo masasabing 3 years old na yung bahay. Ang ganda ng pagka-maintain nila, no? Kahit villa. Kasi yung ibang villa, may certain amoy eh. Lalo sa kitchen. Yung naglilinger pa yung ibang nagluto ng food. Basta ganun. Ito wala. Wala talaga. Kasi dati nag-handle na din kami ng villa for rent eh. Okay, you have your L-shape yung countertop from your sink, lutuan, then other appliances. And you also have your, this serves as your dining table na. Connected siya dito sa pinaka-countertop ng buong kitchen. You also have your space pa naman for your other, doon. Pwedeng bar counter. Kagaya nga niya na may mga naka-display na shelving. Pati ito. And then may pinto kasi dito, Mr. K. Siguro that leads to your, direct access from your single carport. Very useful. So, syempre may mga drawers and cabinets naman. In fairness, sa mga nagbebenta dito sa Pampanga talaga ng villa type. Kasi nakasetup na lahat, tignan mo. Pati mga plates. Yan, ganda. Tapos syempre, since villa type to, may swimming pool tayo. And in fairness naman sa swimming pool, decent size. Pati yung lalim. Diba? Dito may sitting area ka pa sa corner na to. Siguro mga up to 5 feet yung lalim ng dito ng part. Decent size siya. Galing. And then that corner, kung nasan si Mr. K, ando na yung tank natin, yung laundry area, and then may sitting area pa sa bandang yon. Plus, semi-covered yung pinaka-swimming pool natin. Ito, waterfall to. Yan. Cute! Let's go back inside. And dito naman, syempre sa baba natin, you have your first bedroom na. See? Sa first bedroom yun, nakikita ko malaki din yung size ng bed. Parang queen size na siya. As well as parang may mini bedside table na. Tapos siya yung may direct access sa patio nyo. That's it. May ceiling fan, may aircon. And then, ang toilet and bath niya is right here. This also serves as your guest powder room. Okay, so pagpasok, full bath na talaga siya. Shower, toilet, and your sink over there. Tapos kahit siya, medyo nakasunken, mataas pa rin, no? May space pa yung headroom. Tapos na-notice ko may dito. Storage lang. Parang marble yung mga tiles na ginamit nila, no? Pati ito, yung accent na to from your main door. Ganda. Well, anyway, let's explore what's the second floor. Na going up, we have mga natural light din. May accent pa dito yung wall na to. Ganda. May chandelier din. Tapos ang daming room ng villa na to. Nakakatuwa. Well, ito may welcome area pa rin. May wifi daw. Connect tayo. So, complete set na talaga yung villa na to. Kasi nga, nag-ooperate naman na. Okay, welcome to your second floor and your second bedroom. Same lang itsura ng bed yung nasa baba. Tapos may mini bedside table. Plus ito may ensuite. So you have your sink with LED mirror na. You have your toilet and your spacious shower area din. Very simple kasi nga talagang for business siya type. Next room will be over here. Third bedroom na to. You have your vanity, your bedside is over here. You have your open clothing area. This one also has an suite. Same, pati yung mga gamit na mirror. Squeaky ba ang ating slippers? No, we have 2 doors left. Fourth bedroom. Para na-maximize talaga yung buong bedroom, nakagilid talaga yung lahat ng bed. Kasyang-kasya pa kahit mga big family talaga yung pinaka-mag-rent nung villa type na to. Open shelving din yung mga clothes, where you can put your clothes. Vanity, tas may mga mini balcony. Tas pati ito may din, same din. Sink, toilet, and a spacious shower area with heater na. Pare-pareha sila ng setup. Last door, which is our 5th bedroom. Yan. 5th bedroom. And also, pati yung bed size, same sila. Puro queen size. Ito yung pinaka-front na ng property for this room. Same setup. So, kumbaga parang walang setup ng television na or entertainment wall. Kasi nga, villa type naman siya. Pero you have naman sa baba. Yan. Your toilet and bath. So, for your quick recap siguro, balik na lang ako sa baba. I'll see you there. Alright, what do you think of this villa type home for sale here at Savannah Subdivision? Now, for this property, this sits at 166 square meters for your lot area and you have 210 square meters for your floor area. This is 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath. You also have your own swimming pool. You have your single carport and the house comes furnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what really matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Azali Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on the next video.